Hello all and good day to you. It's me, Gauri here, and welcome to this video on how to set up Orient ACTV8 and AXLR8. These are our Eclipse plugins that are designed to generate, deploy, recover, and improve ABAP solutions faster. Initially, our plugin is going to be delivered as a .jar file, and I have this file saved here. Now we have to add this file into the drop-ins folder inside the Eclipse installation folder, which is available in the local disk C folder of your system. Once you have dropped the .jar file into the drop-ins folder, you should mostly be good to go. But it is always better to clean the Eclipse console cache so that the plugin works properly from the start. For this, we have to open Windows PowerShell and type in the following command. We have to add an ampersand here first, and then copy the object path of Eclipse. Okay, and then we add a hyphen and type clean, followed by another hyphen and console log. I'll make sure to add this command in the description to make it easier for you to copy. This command will clean the cache, as I mentioned before, and then launch Eclipse. We will speed this section up a bit. In your case, it may take a minute or two for Eclipse to open after this step. Now, since the plugin has been loaded into Eclipse, you will get a pop-up asking for a license. This license is required for the beta version to run. When we click on Get License, we get a form where we have to fill in the required details, including the work email. This will redirect you to a Google form, where you can verify your details and click Submit. The license key will then be delivered to you through email. Once you receive the license, please copy the JSON content and add it into a Notepad text file. After that, save the file in your system. Now you can copy the object name or the file path. Then come back to Eclipse. Go to the Preferences section, and from here, open the option for Orient ACTV8 and AXLR8. In this screen, you can add the license file path which you copied earlier. Once the license file path is added, the plugin will be able to read the license from this location. While we are here, I can also show you how to add the API keys for your AI models, like Claude, OpenAPI, and Gemini. One has to purchase API credits from the AI providers to be able to create an API key. In my case, I already have the keys added in the plugin, so I'm not generating them again. But for your setup, you can click on the Create Key button shown here and then copy the generated key. The same process can be followed for OpenAI and Gemini as well. Now we come back to Eclipse and paste the keys into their respective fields inside the Orient ACTV8 and AXLR8 Preferences section. We also have an option to integrate with Claude Code. If you have that set up with your VS Code, you can click the Detect button to connect with it automatically. These settings let you control artifact planning from the functional specification document and adjust the generation quality for technical specification documents. Below that, we also have the RAG index-related settings. There is also a compatibility option available here. There's also an option to add embedding models to enable RAG in our product. You can select the available model in the provider list, which can even be a local OLAMA model. Now we move to the SAP system settings. Here we have to maintain the details of the SAP system that the plugin will connect to. This includes the host, port, client, username, and password. Now, if you are not sure about the server port, you can quickly check it from the SAP system itself. For this, go to Transaction Code SMICM in SAP. Once you are inside SMICM, click on Go To and then the Services section. Here we can see the active HTTP and HTTPS services for the system. From this screen, you can identify the port number that has to be used for the connection. If your system is using HTTPS, then copy the HTTPS port or the HTTP if it is the latter. So if you are using the HTTPS port, the HTTPS option should be selected in the plugin settings. Once all the system details are entered, click on Apply and Close to save the settings. So that is the complete setup process for Orient Activate and Accelerate in Eclipse. If you want to know how to purchase API credits for Claude or OpenAI, check out our videos on them here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.